Assalamu alaikum guys, this is me Uzair Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel that name is Let's Design Together. So guys, today's video is fully related to the Photoshop photo editing. So guys, in today's tutorial we are going to learn how to smooth the skin, right? So without wasting any time, let's begin. So guys, you can see it on my screen. I have simply opened the image, right? Control J for the duplicate, and after that I will click on Control I. So here you can see it is inverted. Now I will just change the blending mode. So the blending mode should be just changed from normal to violet light. After that, what I have to do, I have to go to the filter, other, and high pass. After clicking on high pass, you can see here the values. So from 20 to 24 it will be the value of your photo, right? So guys, now the 20 is better for my photo, so and just hit OK. And after that I will just simply go to the filter, blur, and Gaussian blur. After going to Gaussian blur, your Gaussian blur value will be from 3 to 4.5, right? So in my case, I think, let's zoom it. In my case, I think this 4 is enough, right? You have to look to the quality of your picture, right? And after that, just hit OK. What next? Now I have to create the negative layer mask. So with Alt key, click on the Edit Layer Mask button. After that, you will see the negative layer mask, and simply now select the brush with B or just select it from the toolbar, right? And remember, the foreground color will be white, right? And that's the setting. I think the 100% flow and the 100% opacity will be better for me because I'm going to do it a little quickly, that's why. And check the brush size. So the brush size is 300 pixels, right? And the hardness is 0. And after that, what you have to do, just zoom your picture, right, and draw over that. Now just draw on those areas that are supposed to be smooth, right? Let's go with these areas. I want these areas to be smooth, and after that we will do another step. So before that, let me do this, right? Guys, you can see it, right? And just draw those areas which you want smooth, right? And from here I will just go for the chin, right? Make it more smoother, right? And now here the skin has been smoother, but I have to make it more smoother, the whole body, right? And just paint over that. Guys, let's see now the before and after. So here is the before and here is the after. You can see how the skin has been smoothed, right? Here is the before and here is the after. So guys, that's enough for today. If you like this tutorial, so kindly like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get each and every single notification of my videos. Thanks for watching and see you at next tutorial.